Next event, that is the fertilization and implantation, right? Endometrium linings prepare हो गए, ovulation हो गया, right? So now that secondary oocyte now is fertilized by the sperm, right? Then it leads to what? Fertilization. What is fertilization, by the way? याद है? फ्यूजन ऑफ मेल गैमेट एंड फीमेल गैमेट. तो फीमेल गैमेट एम्प्यूला में पहुंच गया, right? Now the male gamete that reached to the ampulla and then leads to what? Fertilization, right? Fertilization किसका होगा? Secondary oocyte actually, right? So now here the layers are there. I told you outermost here given, that is the zona. इसके ऊपर भी और एक layer होता है corona. Yes, right? Now next here zona pellucida layer is there, and can you make, ये basically zona pellucida है, this layer, right? ये zona pellucida है, and here the cortical granules are present. Can you make out this? Right? I told you zona pellucida is a what kind of, yes, jelly layer glycoprotein से बना होता है, right? It's a acellular, non-cellular, इसमें कोई cells नहीं है, just jelly जैसा layer है. Clear? Next one, that so many sperms, right? Many sperms that try to enter and fertilize the ovum. Here, the one of the sperm, first of all, you know that sperm head region में that's the nucleus, and nucleus के यहाँ पे it's a cap like structure we call acrosome is formed by, acrosome contains which enzyme? Hyaluronidase enzyme, right? Hyaluronidase होता है, वो मैंने एक आपको बताया था. सेकेंड होता है कोरोना पेनिट्रेटिंग एंजाइम, राइट? कोरोना रेडिएटा लेयर को उसको क्रॉस करना पड़ेगा, वो सेल्यूलर है, राइट? तो कौन सा एंजाइम होता है? कोरोना पेनिट्रेटिंग एंजाइम. थर्ड जो होता है दैट इज लाइसिन, राइट? जोना लाइसिन बोलते हैं, या फिर विच वन? लाइसिन. यू नो लाइसिस breakdown, right? So with this all hormones, right? Sorry, enzymes. With this all enzymes, zona lysine है या फिर acrosin बोल लो, then corona penetrating enzyme, hyaluronidase enzyme, that sperm can enter into that secondary oocyte. Now, zona pellucida कैसा लेयर है? Jelly layer, right? ये जो jelly layer है, once the sperm head, first sperm head, right, that cross the zona pellucida, फिर ये लेयर क्या बन जाता है? स्टोनी. कैसे? देखो यहाँ पे ये कॉर्टिकल ग्रेन्यूल्स है, राइट? कैन यू मेक आउट दिस पार्ट? ये समझ में आता है? एज एंड व्हेन स्पर्म हेड रिलीज एंटर ओवर हियर, न्यूक्लियस क्या हो जाएगा? रिलीज, राइट? न्यूक्लियस क्या हो जाएगा? रिलीज. सेकेंड थिंग, दिस ग्रेन्यूल्स, कैन यू मेक आउट? फ्यूज हो रहा है यहाँ पे, पहले देखो डिस्टेंस, right? So now that granules fuse with this zona pellucida layer, and now granules enter into zona pellucida. That's why zona pellucida becomes stony, hard हो जाता है वो. Clear? And once it become hard, whichever further sperms are there, they cannot be able to enter. Clear? So zona pellucida first याद रखना. Zona pellucida, in that first acellular layer, second it is made up of glycoprotein, third it is jelly layer, fourth इसका रोल क्या हुआ? It prevents the additional entry of sperm. Only once it actually promote this thing, one sperm can fertilize the one ovum, right? It promotes which thing? One sperm fertilize the one ovum. Clear? So it prevents polyspermy condition. Which one? It prevents polyspermy. Poly meaning many. Spermy here for sperms. Many sperms cannot fertilize, should not be fertilized the single ovum. So this thing can be prevented with the help of which layer? Zona pellucida. Clear है? Right? So zona pellucida के लिए 3-4 लाइंस जो मैंने आपके बताए. फर्स्ट क्या है? मेड अप ऑफ ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन, acellular, jelly layer, Prevents polyspermy. Polyspermy meaning additional many other sperms. Only one sperm fertilize the one ovum. Rest all get arrested. Clear? Next one. Here the jelly layer. How does this jelly layer become stony? Not given in your book. This is just for your reference. That cortical granules are present in the cytoplasm of this structure. That once the one of the sperm head enter into that, these cortical granules fuse with this membrane. Right? Zona pellucida layer से वो क्या हो जाएंगे? Fuse and then release that granules in this part and becomes hard. Clear? Next, see the here that's ये कौन सा लेयर हुआ हमारा? कोरोना, राइट? कोरोना रिनीटा सेल्स. फिर आएगा जोना पेल्यूसिडा एंड पेल्यूसिडा के साथ ये देखो कॉर्टिकल ग्रेन्यूल्स है that diffused over here and becomes stone. Clear? Next, can you make out here enzymes are there, right? That enzymes coming from the which part? Acrosome. So we call acrosomal enzymes. They are of different types, right? Corona penetrating होता है, zona lysine होता है, like that. Hyaluronidase. So now first, fertilization in implantation. During copulation or coitus, semen is released by the penis into the vagina. That we call insemination. If you can recall, we have learned the first, right? First event क्या था? Gametogenesis. Gametogenesis. Second, insemination, right? That insemination meaning gamete transfer. Isn't it? अब तक तो हमने एक ही इवेंट पे वर्क किया है, गैमेटोजेनेसिस, मेल गैमेट फॉर्म करना एंड फीमेल गैमेट. क्लियर? Now the insemination, that's the male gamete transfer towards the female gamete to the vagina during coitus. Third, so now the motile sperm stream rapidly pass through the cervix, enter into the uterus and finally reach to the which region? Ampulla. Right? Which region? Ampulla of the fallopian tube. Ovum released by the ovary is also simultaneously transported to the which region? So that in ampulla, which event takes place? Fertilization. Right? Fertilization can only occur if the ovum and sperms are transported simultaneously to the ampullary region. Simultaneously का meaning यहाँ पे आपको ये understand करना है कि जब तक उनकी viability है, during that time if gametes are there in the ampulla, then and then fertilization can be possible. Clear? Next, this is the reason why not all copulations that leads to the fertilization and the pregnancy. Clear? Next one, the process of fusion of a sperm with an ovum is called what? Fertilization. Next, during fertilization, a sperm comes in contact with the right or zona pellucida layer of the actual worm, second, but here mentioned ovum. So remember ovum, and induces changes in the membrane, right? That blocks the entry of additional sperm. So additional sperm block करना, that condition we call polyspermy. Right? Next, thus it ensures that only one sperm can fertilize an ovum. So which layer, right, that ensures, that gives the ensurety about this thing? Zona pellucida, right? Next, the secretion of this acrosome. Acrosome, it's a part of sperm, right? That helps the sperm enter into the cytoplasm of ovum through the zona pellucida and the plasma membrane. अब ये प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन जो है, you know that initially corona radiata, first, second layer zona pellucida, and zona pellucida के अंदर क्या है? नहीं, साइटोप्लाज्म, सेकेंडरी oocyte, right? ये जो सेकेंडरी oocyte का प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है, talking about that, या फिर वो यहाँ तक आएगा, यहाँ पे फ्यूजन होगा, right? This plasma membrane, another name, vitelline membrane, इसको और क्या बोलते हैं? right? Plasma membrane, another name, that is the vitelline membrane. And between this zona pellucida and this membrane, the space is there that we call perivitelline space. Right? That we call perivitelline space. Clear? Perivitelline space between the zona pellucida and vitelline membrane, meaning plasma membrane of secondary oocyte. Clear? Sure? Next. Induces the completion of the meiotic division of the, as and when see that fusion is there, plasma membrane के साथ, vitelline membrane के साथ. Now it leads to the what? Completion of meiotic division of secondary oocyte, because वो कहाँ पे arrest था? Yes, this one is arrested into the metaphase 2. Now it completes their meiosis 2, right? So after fertilization, or fertilization leads to completion of what? Meiosis 2, and then it forms what? Ovum. Right? वो बहुत ही fast होता है. ये phase that occurs within a shorter period of time. Right? Next, the second meiotic division is again unequal. क्यों unequal लिखा? Again, small polar body and large ovum is formed, right? That results in the formation of second polar body and haploid ovum. अभी ovum को और एक name यहाँ पे दिया, that's the ooted. Which one? Ooted, right? Ovum का another name क्या है? Ooted. तो book में ooted दे, ovum दे और secondary oocyte. All things are same. Clear? Next one. After that, soon the haploid nucleus of the sperm. क्या लिखा? मान लो कि ये ओवम है, right? That head region enter over here. Only the head region that enter, and head का acrosome तो पहले से split था. From the head, now nucleus enter into the ovum, right? तो ये nucleus haploid होते हैं diploid. Sperm is haploid or diploid? It's a gamete. Gametes are always haploid, right? So the haploid nucleus of the sperm and that of the ovum. Ovum का भी nucleus क्या हो जाएगा? Haploid. Meiosis 2 complete होगा. Metaphase 2 complete हो जाएगा. Anaphase 2, telophase 2 and haploid ovum is formed. So now this haploid nucleus of sperm and that of the ovum fuse together and form diploid zygote. राइट? एक टर्म होता है जब ये रिलीज होता है ना मेल न्यूक्लियस, तो उसको बोलते हैं प्रो न्यूक्लियस. अगेन जस्ट फॉर योर नॉलेज, राइट? नॉट मेंशन इन योर बुक. इनिशियल वर्ड इज विच वन? प्रो न्यूक्लियस. विच वर्ड? प्रो न्यूक्लियस. एट द सेम टाइम जब ओवम अपना डिवीजन में सेकेंडरी oocyte अपना डिवीजन कंप्लीट कर रहा है तो उसको बोलते हैं प्रो फीमेल न्यूक्लियस. वहां पे क्या बोलते हैं? प्रो फीमेल न्यूक्लियस, राइट? एंड दोनों प्रो मेल न्यूक्लियस प्रो फीमेल न्यूक्लियस का फर्टिलाइजेशन होगा एंड फ्यूजन होगा एंड दैट फॉर्म डिप्लॉयड जाइगोट. तो अगर सपोज कहीं पे कोई ऑप्शन में अगर प्रो वर्ड के साथ दिया है तो वो भी करेक्ट है. क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? यस और नो? राइट?